Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 7 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about Eloquent Relationship One-to-Many. One-to-many relationship will use when one table associated with multiple. For example, a post may have multiple comments. So for understanding one-to-many relationship, I will just create two tables, post table and a comment tables. Okay, both tables are connected with each other. So let's create. So go to the command prompt and here just type php artisan make model. This model name is post and also create the migration. So just write here -m. All right, now press enter. Model created. Now it's creating the migration. All right, migration has been created. Now create model and migration for the comment table. So just write here php artisan make model space model name. Here model name is comment and also create the migration. So just write here -m and now press enter. Alright, now post and comment table model and migration have been created. So now go to the post table migration. So switch to the project and just click on database, then migration, and just click on create post table migration. Okay, and inside this migration, just add some column here. So just write here dollar table arrow data type string column name. Let's say column name is title. All right, now create another column table. This time data type is text and column name let's say body. All right, now save the file and go to the comment migration. So just click here create comment table migration and add here some columns. So just write here dollar table arrow big int big integer and column name, let's say column name is post id and also unsigned. All right, now table arrow a string and column name comment. All right, also create the foreign key. So just write here table arrow foreign and here post id and references with id on post table. So just write here on table name post. All right, now save the file and go to the post model. So just go inside app folder, then click on post. Here first of all add the table name. So just write here protected dollar table protected space dollar table is equal to table name post, and here just create a function public function name comments, and inside this function just return dollar this arrow has many. Inside this, just write here comment colon class. Alright, now save the file and go to the comment model. So just open this file and here just add the table name protected dollar table is equal to comments. Alright, and also create the function. So right here public function name post, and inside this method just return dollar this arrow belongs to post class. So just write here post colon class. Alright, now migrate the migration. So switch to the command prompt and here just write php artisan migrate. Okay, now press enter. Alright, migration post table and comment table migration have been migrated. Okay, so now let's create a controller. So just write here php artisan make colon controller space controller name. Let's say controller name is post controller. Alright, now press enter. Alright, controller has been created. Now go to the post controller. So switch to the project and just click on app folder, then http controllers, and inside this controller just click on post controller. Okay, here inside the post controller just add a function for insert record. So just write here public function name. Let's say function name is add post. Alright, now just write here dollar post is equal to new post. Alright, and also add the post model here. Okay, use app / post. Alright, now dollar post arrow title is equal to, let's say title is first post. Alright, and dollar post arrow body is equal to let's say first post description. Alright, now save the post. So just write here post arrow, call the save method. Alright, now return a message post has been created successfully. Alright, now create another method for the adding comment. So just write here public function add comment. Alright, and inside this method just write here dollar post is equal to post colon find, let's say uh, just pass here id. So pass here the parameter id. Okay, and just write here dollar id. Alright, now dollar comment is equal to new comment. Alright, also add here and dollar comment arrow comment is equal to, let's say comment is, this is first comment. Alright, now save the comment. So just call post $post arrow comments and call the save method. Inside this save method, just pass here comment $comment. Alright, and just return the message. Return comment has been created successfully. Alright, now create the routes for this method. So go to the web.php file inside the routes folder. So just click on routes, then web.php, and here just create two routes. First route get, and let's say URI is add post. Controller name post controller, and method name, let's copy the method name add post. Okay, and just paste here. Create another route get add comment and pass the parameter here. Let's say parameter is id, and here comma controller name post controller @ method name add comment. Okay, so just copy and paste here. All right, all done. Now let's check. So add some post here. So go to the browser and here just call add post. Okay, now press enter. You can see here post has been added. So go to the phpMyAdmin, just refresh the database, and post table, just browse here, and you can see here first post. Okay, now add the comment. So just write here add comment and add this comment to the post 1. So just I pass the id 1. Okay, now press enter. You can see here comment has been created. Now just go to the database and click on comments table. So just browse the comment table, and you can see here post id 1, and this is comment. All right, now fetch the comments by post id. So for that, just go to the post controller and here create another method, public function. Let's say function name is get comment by post. All right, and pass here the post id. So just write here $id, and here just write comment is equal to post : find, pass here the $id and arrow comments. All right, just return $comments. All right, now create the routes. So go to the web.php and here just create route get, let's say URI is get comments. All right, and pass here the post id. So just parameter id, controller name post controller method name. So method name is get comments by post. So just copy and paste here. All right, route get comments this. Okay, now save the file and let's check. So go to the browser and here just write get comment, which is comments. Okay, so just write here comments and pass the id. So just write here one post id. Now press enter. You can see here the comments. If I add another comment, let's say add here, this is second comment. All right, now save the file and add one more comment. So just write here localhost add comment. All right, now press enter. Comment added, and if I refresh the page, you can see here all the comments. Okay, so in this way you can use one to many eloquent relationship. So that's all about one to many eloquent relationship. Thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.